Hey, this is Anthony from Rockin Printz, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from print on demand, graphic designing, digitizing images for heat pressing t-shirts, and embroidery. Today, we're diving into one of the most easiest and the most profitable online business models for 2025, and that is print on demand with Printify. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-time brand, Printify is a fantastic tool that lets you create custom products with zero inventory. So stick around to the very end to get the full benefit of this tutorial. And if you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. So with that, let's go ahead and get this started. So first things first, what is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects store owners with print providers worldwide. So you can design products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Then sell them through your own store on Shopify or Etsy, WooCommerce, or even Walmart's marketplace. The best part, Printify handles production and shipping. You never have to touch a single product. This means you can focus on designing and marketing while Printify takes care of all of the logistics. So why Printify in 2025? 2025 is the best time to jump into the print-on-demand platform with Printify. So here are a few reasons. E-commerce growth is bigger than ever. Online shopping is still on the rise. And platforms like Etsy and Shopify continue to break records. AI design makes it easier. AI-powered tools like Midjourney, Canva, and even Printify's mock-up generator can help you create stunning designs for your online business. Unlike traditional businesses that require thousands of dollars in inventory, you can start today without spending a dime up front. You can work from anywhere. You can run your business from your laptop at home, or a coffee shop, or even traveling the world. You're not limited by stock or production capacity. So if a design goes viral, you can sell thousands of units without worrying about supply chain issues. And one of the greatest things about Printify is you can actually start your online business just in 10 minutes. Now that you see the potential using Printify, let me walk you through step by step how to start your own online business with Printify. So step 1, sign up for Printify. It's free. Just go to printify.com and create an account. Step 2, choose your products. Printify has thousands of different products to customize. Step 3, create your designs. Use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even AI generators. Step 4, connect your store. Link Printify to Etsy, Shopify, or other platforms that you might choose from. Step 5, set pricing and publish. Adjust your profit margins and list your products and scale. Step 6, market your store. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to drive traffic. And boom, you're in business. Okay, so now some pro tips to help you succeed in this year. Find trendy niches. Research what's popular, like using tools like Everbee, Etsy Hunt, or Google Trends. Stand out by creating designs that aren't overly saturated. Optimize your listings. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to rank higher on Etsy and Google. And run paid ads. Facebook and TikTok ads can help you reach your audience fast. Then test the scale. If a product sells well, double down on it and test smaller designs. And that's a wrap, everybody. Starting a Printify business this year is one of the easiest and most profitable ways you can make money online by starting now. So if you're interested in learning more about Printify, click the link in my description below to get started on your free trial right away. And thanks again for watching. And if you found value in this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, as it's going to help support my channel out tremendously. And if you want to see more content such as this, subscribe to my channel. So with that, you have a blessed week and a blessed day, and we'll see you guys back on my next video next week, and peace.